Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo, power mirrors, an alarm system, power steering. Call today to schedule a test drive.